Hello students, this is the textbook of General Science class 7 in which we have to learn 20 units all over the year. So this is the first unit, the living world, adaptations and classification. Students, by the name of this topic, we all know the whole world is divided into two main parts. That means the living world is divided into two main categories. First category is plants and second is animals. This type of classification basically we have learnt in the previous year. So, in this topic, we have to gain the knowledge of adaptations and also classification. Students, let's see the topic. Firstly, the question is given to recall our knowledge. In what different ways is the diversity in living things seen? See, students, we see many living organisms all around us and they have the diversities within them. So question is, what different ways or in what different ways is the diversity in living things seen? So their diversity, the answer we can give, we can tell that the diversity in a different organism is found in their color, in their weight, in their size and the structure of various organisms. Here is a great variety of plant is found on the earth. We all know there are different types of varieties of plant. Some plants have colorful flowers, some plants grow in water, whereas some are to be found in deserts, which have a scarcity of water. Some plants are found only in snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope, whereas some are huge in size. See, students, this is the diversity. Many organisms have their different colors. We all watch or observe various types of plants having different colorful flowers, and the plants having their fruits also. Not only this, we can see different types of regions, and all regions have their different types of organisms also. Some plants are found only in snowy regions. Some plants cannot be seen without a microscope, whereas some are huge in size. Like plants, animals too show diversity. Some are unicellular, others multicellular. Some are vertebrates, whereas others are invertebrates. This world is full of a variety of animals as like aquatic, terrestrial, amphibian, reptilian, aerial, etc. These observations give rise to the question, how did this great diversity come into being? Look, student, in this first passage we see that there is a great variety of plants. Some plants having different types of colors, different types of colorful flowers, fruits, etc. As like plants, animals also having the diversity. So here are specific some new words for all of you: unicellular, multicellular, vertebrates, invertebrates, aquatic, terrestrial, amphibian, reptilian, aerial, etc. So these are the new words and we have to firstly pronunciate them, and the your homework is also you have to find these words meaning. That means you have to recite the new words by finding these new words in the dictionary. So this is your homework. We are going to learn only this first passage only. Okay, so goodbye.